everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we are doing the 14-week home organizational challenge sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons. And if you can see, we are still in our garage. However, it's not garage week, it's actually pantry week. But we have already finished the in-house pantry, we finished the garage pantry, and what we're going to be tackling today is the homeschool section of our garage. And we have that stored in our shelving units. The shelving units, you've probably seen this if you followed my channel for a while. We have our garage pantry in some shelving units. Well, there's a large, it spans a whole wall. And so I put half of our homeschool stuff in those shelvings. But because the kids do their homeschool on computer, we have not really used some of the resources, or they've outgrown those resources, because Alana is in 8th grade and Jackson is in 3rd grade. So we're going to be going through this pantry shelves where we host our homeschool things, and we're actually going to bring some order. We're going to donate some of the books to other homeschool families that we know that could possibly use them, and just get our space in tidy order. We are going to try to limit it to about 30 minutes. It shouldn't take us very long, 45 minutes at the most, but we're going to monopolize on our week because it is only Monday here and we don't start the next area until Saturday. So come along with us as we get started working on our homeschool area. All right, everybody, we are done with the homeschool shelves, and I will make a correction. Jackson is in 4th grade. I said he was in 3rd grade. He's in 4th grade. My apologies. I get so confused sometimes, but 4th grade for Jackson, 8th grade for Alana. So what we did was, if you remember, this whole shelving all the way down was full of homeschool items. Probably even some over here. So we just went in and made sure we put all of our books here. A lot of these at the very bottom are some Bible study books for mom, and then some entertaining books here. But everything from this row up is homeschool related. These books that are flat are some reference books and things that the kids can use as far as just studying, but they were too tall to fit, so we laid those flat. These are just some reading books that the age appropriate for the kids, and we have taken out all the books that are there beyond that reading level. We put all of our markers and glue in some containers that we had, and then here, these are all resource and reference books or for testing materials and different things. I had these white magazine holders that I got from IKEA several years ago and couldn't figure out what to do with them. So I'm laying them down flat and I'm holding the books in there because they're too tall to fit in the shelving itself exactly. So I can pull out anything I need. I've got I've laminated cards for the kids. I probably will need to get rid of these as well, but these are all laminated study cards and different things that you know, Jackson can use, Venn diagrams and different diagrams, and I laminated them so that we could write and erase. Up here we have extra paper. We have our laminating pouches, notebooks, notebook paper. And then over here we just have some K through 8 curriculum. I think it's science. I can't remember what it is, but I believe it's science. Pencils, pens. We just repurposed some of these things for pencils and pens. I've got I wasn't using that as a cracker keeper, so back in there we have all of the colored pencils. Then we have pencils, pens that have not been opened, and different things here. We've just put everything together. Over here we have some games. Our human body is up there and a couple of math games, and then we just have the carousel for scissors, and then these are just push pins and thumbtacks for hanging stuff up. So that is it. That is it, our homeschool organization, and we have done the best that we could. The only thing that's left on this shelf now is these 2 shelves where we hold home improvement items. So I'm going to go through and kind of just work my way through some of those things and make sure that we are utilizing this the way we need to. This right here is a box of just homeschool materials that's in lower grade, 2nd grade, 1st grade, kindergarten, just some things my kids will not be using. So I'm going to post this on my declutter group and see if there are any other homeschool families that could benefit from some of these things. So there it is, our homeschool declutter and getting our homeschool room back to order. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you are enjoying this purge series, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we're enjoying your purge series. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for joining us for the 14-week home organizational challenge. And until the next time we organize, bye.